How to use Learning Genie review properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Learning Genie is an educational platform designed to support early learning and classroom management, but beginners often misuse it, wasting time or missing key benefits. Here's how to use it properly. The first mistake is skipping onboarding. Most people get this wrong by signing up and immediately entering data without understanding features like parent communication, lesson planning, or reporting tools. Completing onboarding ensures smooth usage. Second mistake, neglecting parent engagement. You won't believe how many teachers ignore this feature. Learning Genie allows parents to track progress, receive updates, and communicate directly. Active parent involvement improves student outcomes and engagement. Third mistake, inconsistent data entry. The surprising truth is that incomplete or irregular updates compromise the platform's reporting accuracy. Logging observations, attendance, and achievements consistently ensures reliable analytics. Fourth mistake, underutilizing reports. Beginners often glance at summaries without exploring detailed insights. Learning Genie provides performance trends, skill gaps, and behavior tracking, which can guide teaching strategies effectively. Finally, not exploring integrations is common. The platform can sync with other tools like calendars, gradebooks, or digital portfolios. Ignoring integrations limits efficiency and the full potential of the software. Using Learning Genie properly means completing onboarding, engaging parents, logging data consistently, reviewing detailed reports, and using integrations. Avoid these beginner mistakes, and you'll maximize the platform's impact on early learning success.